In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Ads not converting by discovering why this might be happening and what you can do to resolve it. Whether you're new to Google Ads or just looking to improve your conversion rates, these steps will guide you through diagnosing and fixing common issues. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. You can simply type Google Ads into your search bar and click on the official link. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on the sign in button and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. It's important to log into the correct account as this will ensure you have access to all your campaigns and data. After logging in, you'll arrive on the Google Ads homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can access all of your campaigns, see an overview of your ad performance, and make necessary adjustments. Once here, look for the campaign section. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed view of each campaign you have running, allowing you to dive deeper into their individual performances. Now let's focus on the core elements that could be affecting your conversion rates, your audiences, keywords, and content. These are crucial components that you need to constantly optimize. Go ahead and click on Audiences, Keywords and Content from the options available. This section will provide you with insights into how engaging your audience is, which keywords are performing well, and how your content is resonating with users. Next, we'll hone in on keywords specifically. Click on the Keywords tab to get an overview of which terms are driving traffic to your ads. Keywords play a vital role in ensuring your ads are seen by the right people, so it's essential to regularly review and optimize this list. Here's a valuable tip. Focus on adding negative keywords. This strategy helps in filtering out unwanted traffic that doesn't convert. To do this, click on the negative keywords option. Adding negative keywords allows you to exclude specific search terms that are bringing irrelevant or low converting visitors to your site. By doing so, you save ad spend and increase the chances of conversions by targeting only those who are more likely to be interested in your product or service. Now select Add Negative Keywords. This action will open a dialog box where you can input terms you've identified that don't align with your goals. For instance, if you're selling luxury goods, you might want to exclude keywords related to cheap or discounted items to avoid users searching for bargains. After adding these terms, your ads will no longer appear in search results containing the negative keywords you've specified. And there you have it. By following these steps, reviewing your keywords, and strategically using negative keywords, you can significantly improve your Google Ads performance and increase your conversion rates. Remember, regular analysis and optimization are key to a successful Google Ads campaign. Keep experimenting and soon you'll see better results from your advertising efforts.